Hello guys, this is the Amazon Basics Bluetooth speaker. It's quite affordable, but to be honest, I was very surprised with the sound quality. Let me play some music so you can hear it for yourself. It's quite bassy, which surprised me, and it's a stereo sound. So we're gonna open it up and have a look inside. They also made it very easy to access with some hex screws. So let's open it up and have a look inside. So let's just remove the cover. Okay. And that's the speakers there inside. So yeah, I was very impressed with the sound quality and the build quality for such an affordable item. I bought it on offer and it was about £12, I think about $15. I think the normal price is about $20, about £17 I think, something like that. If you hear it for yourself, you will also be impressed as well. The bass is good, and they kept the stereo sound, so you've got two drivers here, unlike other Bluetooth speakers where they only stick with one. It also has the passive radiator at the back. I will show you that too. There you go, that's the passive radiator as well at the back. So let's just play some music and let's see the drivers move. Alright, so apart from that it's affordable and it's got a great bass, it goes loud as well, and it's got an input in here which most Bluetooth speakers are now lacking. As you can see, the aux in there. So let's just plug it in and let's get that tested.
Disconnected.
Ooh, it even talks to you. Right, okay, so I'm gonna plug this into my vocal sample, and this is where the aux input is beneficial because of, you may be aware of this, because of the Okay, I've a helping hand in here just so we can tilt the speaker. Right, so this is perfect for musical instruments, obviously the cheap way, if you want to be mobile. And using the aux cable is beneficial as there is no sound lag. So let's switch it on. Whoa, that is loud. That is super loud. Whoa. I've made a song here, let's just play it. The sound is too loud to the point where the speaker is actually moving around, jiggling about. Right, let's try and make a song. So, how do you make a song? Let's just get a song from the memory. I don't know if you can see it, but the speaker is actually bouncing about because it's just too loud. Okay, another song. If you listen to the sound effects, they just sound so clear and nice and beautiful, crisp, man. Anyway guys, alright, so that's it for now. I just wanted to mention that they make it also in black and different other colors. This is not the greatest speaker I've ever reviewed. It's only cause it's good value, and I love that. I love a good value speaker. If you want to see more Bluetooth speakers reviewed, please check out my channel. I've got lots of them. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another one. Bye.